Anytype is a rising productivity and knowledge management tool that stands out for its privacy-first and offline-friendly design. Unlike many cloud-based apps, it stores data locally with end-to-end encryption and syncs through a peer-to-peer system, giving users much more control and ownership over their information. Its unique object-based structure allows notes, tasks, and ideas to be linked in a graph-like system, making it highly effective for personal knowledge management and those who prefer interconnected thinking. The interface is clean and responsive, and many users appreciate its speed and flexibility, even with large volumes of notes. However, since it's still relatively new, Anytype does come with some limitations such as fewer integrations, weaker collaboration features, and occasional bugs, particularly on mobile where some desktop features are missing. In summary, Anytype is an excellent choice for users who prioritize privacy, offline access, and data ownership, but it may not yet be the best fit for teams or those who need a polished, integration-heavy ecosystem.